Hello and welcome to Bluebell.tv's YouTube channel. My name is Anil Palmer. This video is the first in a series of shorts designed to help understand some of the fundamentals of broadcast fibre optics and fibre optic systems in general. Over the course of the next few presentations, I will be covering topics such as connector type, differences between single mode and multi-mode fibre, wave division multiplexing, CWDM, DWDM, and most importantly, cleanliness. Today, we will go back to basics and look at the most prevalent connector types and how to recognize them. So let's get started. There are 5 primary connector types used in the market worldwide today. They are ST, SC, FC, LC, and E2000. Each connector type is available in simplex or duplex form. Simplex is a single connector and duplex is a dual connector. They are also available in single mode or multi-mode format, but we will deal with these in a later presentation. So here's how to remember them. ST is shove and twist, SC is shove and click, FC, fiddle to connect. It's a threaded connector and has a keyway. It's a difficult connector to mate if you can't see what you're doing in low light. LC is little connector, one of the smallest on the market. And E2000, which is different from the rest as it has an integrated shutter mechanism. This connector is not so prevalent as others and are usually used for high-powered laser systems that are not eye safe, hence the shutter. There are more sophisticated multi-way connectors on the market, such as Nitric Optical Con, Limo, Fisher and Tajimi, but we will cover those later on. For now, let's finish looking back at the connector types again in simplex and duplex form and how they interconnect. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button below and don't forget to subscribe for future updates from us. The next video we will be posting, we will be showing 2 subsets of all these connectors, which are APC for angled polished connector and PC for polished connector. So see you next time, and remember, keep it clean.